They say that the Hausa and Fulani, the ongoing plan to buy N0w for inside northern side now, as we dey talk. The plan is ongoing. As we are talking to you right now, they say so many people don't buy. N0w Biafra Liberation Army don't come outside, review the secret and tell every Biafrans to contact your loved ones which live in the north to confirm if they are still alive. My people, no be small thing. We'll go find out how this thing take dey happen. Welcome back to Balabas Gist. If you don't know the first time we dey come across this wonderful channel, you are highly welcome. See the here they bring you update back to back as it dey hot. This update na sharp. We'll quickly jump inside to go find out wetin dey happen. They say that they plan to use Otapiapia take buy N0w for inside north. Any food where they come from north, may you check am very well before you go put for your belle. My people, watch this video before we go come back or continue.
Information. If you disregard this information, you are on your own. Or it is all about Biafrans. And everything that will keep Biafrans safe is our priority. Just as the way we were programmed to restore Biafra. The restoration of Biafra is useless without Biafrans being alive to enjoy this kingdom. And that is the reason we bring this information to your notice. Do not disregard this information. I want you to make sure that you share this information to reach everybody, every Biafrans, because this is all about life and death. If you could remember when I told you since the beginning of this year that February is going to be very rocket, some of you were thinking it was a joke until you began to see by yourself, for yourself, to yourself and yourself. And now, I am here to drop another very vital information to you. Right now, there are secret slaughtering of Biafrans in the north and in the west. Right now, as I'm talking to you. Secret slaughtering. They knew where you are staying and they will come and pick you at night and slaughter you. If you have anybody staying in the north, call the person to confirm if he's still alive. That is number one information. Number two information. Anything, any food coming from north, boycott it. Don't buy it. They are poisoning the food. They are poisoning the food. They are poisoning the food. Their reason is, having known that Biafra is already been restored, they have vowed not to allow you to live to enjoy the Biafra. And that is why they are poisoning the food, to ensure that you will die before your time. Therefore, boycott everything from the north if you want to survive. Boycott everything from the north. Anything called food, don't eat once it's from north, because that food have been poisoned. That food have been poisoned. More especially Indomie, yam, rice, beans, anything from the north. Don't joke with this information. This information is from the soil. Very authentic. And if you joke with it, you are on your own. Make sure that you circulate this information to reach every crook and corner, and more especially to every Biafrans in the Biafran territory. Today's date is 27 February 2024. Time now talking is 10:34. That is 26 minutes to the hours of 11 a.m. in Biafra land. Don't joke with this information, because it's about life and death. Circulate this information to go far and near. Don't forget, if you must enjoy Biafra, you must stay alive to enjoy Biafra. And that is, you must boycott everything from north. Everything from north. Everything called food from north. Boycott it. some days ago, then stop every vehicle, every truck that was bringing food from North and send them back. The reason was that those one that was coming was not poison. So they have returning them back to ensure that everything that is coming from North is poison. So very soon now, they will begin to allow food to flow in. If you buy that food, you are on your own. But on our own side, we will try to stop or destroy anything that is coming from the North. But anyone that escape us and enter, don't buy it. It is poison. It is poison. They want to kill Biafrans before Biafra is restored. Please, you must remain safe and remain alive to enjoy this Biafra that we are fighting for. And that is why every information that will keep you safe is what we are doing. They try to bring hardship, anger, protest, so that they will now reduce you more. It does not work. That divine and other men, their target is to make sure that they reduce you, then kill you. The more they kill you, the more they weaken you. Don't let them do that. Save yourself and make good use of this information. That is what I come this morning to share with you. It's very important, as I told you earlier. Those that are being informed, they have ability to perform. Failure to perform, you have yourself to be blamed. Avoid every food from the North that poison it. They want to kill you. If you say I'm joking, then others will learn from your death. If you say I'm joking, get it. And when you die, other people will learn from your death. No, Biafrans, we are stubborn. We want to see things by ourselves before we believe. The same way I've been warning you to leave North and the South and the West and return back home. Some of you were thinking I was joking. I didn't know what I was saying. Until you begin to see by yourself and it becomes too late, then you know that there was a voice. I wasn't the first person that said it. The great prophet started prophesying and warning you since 2015. You paid deaf ear to it. 2017 is still repeated. You paid deaf ear to it. I'm not here to warn you. I'm only here to tell you that your time have been limited by you, by yourself, for yourself, to yourself, and yourself with yourself. So therefore, if you like, share it. If you don't like, don't share it. But this information is a spirit voice. It will go very far and spread than you think, because we are here to save the land of Biafra. Once again, good morning to the lovers of freedom, Biafran children, the good one, and the supporters of freedom. May Chukwu Kikabiama keep protecting you until Biafra is restored. But for the wicked one, there is no peace for the wicked, and they will never see peace. Death is all they will always see, all the days of their life, now and forevermore. You say.
Okay, my wonderful people, welcome back. As you have watched that video, now with the information what would they get now we say more still pass am, give everybody more that they know within they go for the area. I beg may you share this video and make sure say they follow this page for more updates. Do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Okay, my people, may you leave your own opinion for inside comment section. I see the hot, we see the head, they bring you updates back to back.